Hey everyone, it's Tyler again with the Dauber Home Care team. Today I want to give you a few tips on mosquitoes. So, like most of us, during the winter we kind of neglect our yards because we're not in them that much. So what we come to find is when spring rolls around, we got a lot of things that haven't been tended to. And I just want to give you a few friendly tips and pointers on things to look for that can help cut down the mosquitoes in your backyard. That way the summer vacations are nice and smooth this year. So if you follow me, we're going to actually go look around the house a little bit and see if we can find anything. So things that we're looking for is any type of breeding ground or cesspool that mosquitoes could use to live. One of the key things that we tend to find is that during the winter, we get rid of our plants because of the freeze. What we don't get rid of is our pots. As you can see, we've had a little bit of rain here. You see that nasty, disgusting cesspool breeding for mosquitoes? We want to get rid of this stuff. So what I'm going to do is just help the homeowner out. Splash this water on out of there. Now we've eliminated one spot. Other things you want to look at, as most of us have grills in our backyard and we cover them throughout the winter. So one thing you want to find is, does yours actually sit flush on the ground and let the water drain? As you can tell right here, I actually have a little bit of buildup of water on this. And this is a breeding ground for mosquitoes. So what I'm going to do is just a quick little, get some of this water out. That way it's not sitting in there. Quick little dust off, and then I'm just gonna make my way around the house to see if I can find any other spots. All right? Okay, team, so I finished walking the remainder of the house and I did not find any more stagnant water. So today when you get home, I wanna remind you, this is something you can do as well. Grab the mail out of the mailbox, take a quick lap around your house, and dump out any of those buckets of stagnant water. You'll be glad you did. So once again, this is Tyler signing out with the Dauber Home Care team. Until next time.